Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on 24-hour temperature cast. Warm early, warm later, more clouds. And then I think things start to change after this evening tonight, although it's not going to happen right away. It's not like flipping a switch. Usually it takes maybe like half a day for that cooler air to filter in. So we'll still need to be a little patient waiting for that cooler air tomorrow. We'll notice that breeze tomorrow, and that'll bring in the cooler air. So by later in the afternoon, things start to feel more fall-like. But here's what we've got set up across the region. More clouds already starting to spill in. A bunch of clouds out there to the west and some showers with those clouds. Fingers crossed that maybe we can see some of those showers hold together. Our area hadn't seen any official rain yet in October, and I think after today tonight, our next chance for showers may not be till like next Wednesday or Thursday, so that's a pretty long stretch. I know October usually starts the dry season around here, but we're about 6 inches behind normal with rainfall, so we'd like to get a little sun when we can. Got plenty of thirsty lawns, gardens, and greens out there that could use the help. It's 73 this morning in Tallahassee. It's 72 in Valdosta. It's 68 degrees in Thomasville. And that third row of numbers that I keep looking at, those dew point temperatures, upper 60s, near 70. That's why the air feels the way it does outside. It is going to feel a little sticky out there. Not middle of summer, not like it was a couple of weeks ago, but certainly enough where you do notice it. Now I see 69 at Bainbridge, 68 at Quincy, 69 at Moultrie, 68 at Tifton, Perry and Live Oak at 70 this morning. Cross City we're at 72, so a much more compact group of temperatures all around the region and pretty warm. It's not real breezy or anything, so let's look for some patchy fog out there. We have increased the moisture a little bit, and I do see some. Live Oak and Cross City visibility's down to a mile or below, and I think we'll find a little bit more patchy fog out there this morning. Now the air behind that boundary so much cooler, and that's what's moving east. The issue here is, will there be any energy left with that boundary when it gets here? I don't think so. So that would have been one of those good triggers for showers. The other question is, will there be enough moisture around? Maybe. So some scattered showers are a real possibility. But as that boundary gets through the area and high pressure takes over, tomorrow the breeze perks up and the cooler air arrives. And once that cooler air arrives, I think it's going to park around here for at least 2 or 3 days. And even when things start to warm back up next week, they don't look like they're getting like it did this week. So changes are coming this weekend. Maybe we turn that corner and get into fall. Now up near Bermuda, we can see some areas of convection, some colors here on the satellite. It's getting harder and harder to see what's going on with Philippe, but still a tropical storm, still at 50-mile-per-hour sustained winds. And as it works its way near Bermuda today, going to bring a bunch of wind and rain there. It will likely start losing those tropical characteristics and getting weaker before it gets up near Maine on Sunday. But it's likely going to be a rain producer for up there and into parts of eastern Canada. Not going to be any kind of weather maker around here for our forecast. The clouds will be on the increase, and it's going to be a little bit breezy on the Gulf today. Winds start northeast, eventually get to the northwest. It may take a while. We'll go 5 to 15 knots and seas like 2 to 4 feet. 60s and 70s, a mixture of clouds and clear this morning. Sun will be up at 7:34. A little warm, a little muggy all day. I still think we're going to be seeing 86, 87, 88 for daytime highs, even with the increase in clouds. We could start seeing a few showers this evening and tonight. They're going to try. I don't think they're going to be all that successful, but they're going to try. And then as we get into the day tomorrow, maybe a little more cloud cover early, clearing and getting breezy in the afternoon. Tomorrow's highs, probably low 80s. Then tomorrow night into Sunday, likely going to be a lot of low 50s and maybe some upper 40s. As we get to Monday, same kind of thing, a bunch of upper 40s. So it's going to be much cooler Saturday night, Sunday night, and even still Monday night. And those afternoons, even with full sunshine on Sunday, I don't think we're getting back to 80.